You guys, welcome back. This cool, crisp weather has me craving something rich and hearty. Today I'll be making a robust Cambodian vegetable soup called Somlor Koko. It's nutty and earthy, packed with greens, making it a healthy meal. Let's get started. First, let's make Kroeung, an herb paste. This paste is the basis of many Cambodian dishes. We'll use this herb paste in a bit. This is Prahok, fermented fish. It's rich in umami flavors and will add bold character to this soup. We just want this liquid here. We'll be using it in a bit. You can use all sorts of vegetables for this soup. These are the ones that I have on hand. You can shave the papaya into thicker chunks, thicker than what would normally be used for something like papaya salad. Yard-long beans for a nice snappy texture. Kabocha squash will add creaminess and sweetness. Purple eggplants. And small green eggplants collected from the garden earlier. These are the tendrils and young shoots from the kabocha squash. They are tender and add a nice, bright, vegetal element to the soup. A mild leafy green would also work, like spinach or amaranth. A couple of rinses. With the heat off, let's mix some ingredients with the chicken. This helps to season the meat. In goes the Prahok Liquid. Only add the liquid. You can discard the solids. Once everything is mixed well, turn the heat on to medium-high and stir fry. In goes all the vegetables except the kabocha squash tendrils and young shoots. You can add the vegetables in at different stages if you'd like, since some of them cook quicker than others, but this works for me. In goes the water. Season with palm sugar and fish sauce to taste. In goes the toasted rice powder. It's gonna add a nice nutty taste. You can add more if you like, but be mindful as it will really thicken up the soup. You can check out my lab video to see how to make toasted rice powder. Boil on medium heat until the kabocha squash and eggplants are tender. Add in the kabocha squash tendrils and young shoots now. And simmer for about 3 minutes. They don't take long to cook. Taste and adjust the flavors to your liking. It should be savory, earthy, and nutty. And it's done. Serve it with freshly steamed jasmine rice and enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.